So these are the two equations where we need to substitute x is equal to a, because x minus a is a factor. So first we'll take f of x as x square minus x minus 6, isn't it? So f of a becomes how much, Nana? How much? A square minus a minus 6,
A minus 6.
and which is equal to 0, because a is a factor, right? X minus a is a factor, so f of a is equal to 0. Now by this I'll get a square minus a is equal to 6. Otherwise you can treat this as equation 1, and we'll write g of a. G of a is g of x given as x square plus 3x minus 18. Now g of a, because x minus a is a factor, I am finding g of a, which is equal to 0. So a square plus 3a minus 18 is equal to 0. This is equation 2. Now if you solve these two equations, we can find the value of a. Okay children, first you copy till here, then we'll go for further. These two are simultaneous equations. We'll solve now. I'm going to solve these two simultaneous equations, beta. If you observe in these two equations, here a square minus a minus 6 is equal to 0, a square plus 3a minus 18 is equal to 0. So from equation 2, I want to remove equation 1. So equation 2 में से equation 1 को निकालेंगे, minus करेंगे, isn't it? So a square plus 3a minus 18 is equal to 0. A square minus a minus 6 is equal to 0. क्या करना? Minus करना, subtract. So this will become minus, minus will become plus, minus will become plus. So a square will get cancelled. 3a plus a, 4a. Minus 18 plus 6. Minus 18 plus 6 minus 12 is equal to 0. चलो इसको अभी solve करेंगे हम. 4a is equal to 12 transpose to right hand side. 12. So a is equal to 12 by 4, which is equal to 3. Now how much we got the value of a as 3. Therefore a is equal to 3. Shall we check whether our answer is correct or not?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. See, here they have given x minus a is a factor of this, any one of this. So x minus 3 means in place of x, if you substitute 3, you should get 0. Shall we check that? Yes, here I am checking. So here I'll take 3 square minus 3 minus 6. 3 square is 9. Minus 3 minus 6 is minus 9, which is equal to 0. So our a value is perfectly correct. Come on children, now you copy this. The given polynomial is y cube minus 2y square minus 9y plus 18. And also they have given y minus 3 is a factor. Means y is equal to kitna lena abhi? Y is equal to 3. So I'll find the factors using synthetic method. Okay? Synthetic division method. Now synthetic division method. So here I'm taking the quotients of this polynomial is 1 minus 2 minus 9 plus 18. Isn't it? These all are the quotients of this polynomial. Now I'll take here 3 as a factor. So first term I should write as it is. So 1 3 is 3. Add karo. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 3 is 3. 3 minus 9 is minus 6. 6 3 is 18. Minus 18. You got 0. Understood children? So what is the next polynomial we have here? The next polynomial. The other factor is, what is the other factor beta? X square plus
X
x
y
minus
square.
6.
So y square.
Sorry, yeah, y terms, no? So y square, y minus 6 is the other factor for the given polynomial. First you copy till here, then we'll go proceed further. Y minus 2 plus, in दोनों में से 3 common ले रही हूँ, 3 y minus 2.
Y minus 2.
So here y minus 2 is there, here also y minus 2. So we'll take common. We'll take common of y minus 2. If you take common y minus 2, you'll get y plus 3. So what are the factors now you got? Y minus 2 and y plus 3. Therefore, the other two factors are
R
y minus
y minus 2
and y plus 3.
y minus
Did you understand? Only the thing here you need to put it in your mind that this is the quotient of y square is 1 and quotient here the constant is minus 6. 1 into minus 6 is minus 6. So minus 6 ka factors find out karna so that whether you add, if you simplify these two factors, you need to get this plus y. Okay, means plus 1 you need to get. So where we are getting plus 1, minus 2 plus 3 is my plus 1. So I have substituted in place of plus y, minus 2y and plus 3y and continue the process. Chalo, make a note of